Okay, so if you want to use CapCut to watermark your videos, this is how you do it. What you're going to do is you're going to open up CapCut. You're going to say create new project. You're going to click on that button. Then CapCut will open up. So under the import tab, you're going to hit that import button. You're going to select the video wherever you may need to browse for it. Go select it and open. Then what you need to do is you need to take your video, you're going to drag it down into your timeline. This is where all of the magic happens, is down here in this timeline down here. That's where you edit your video. So there we go. There we got our video. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure this cursor is right at the front of our video, because wherever we drop in our text or our watermark, that's where it's going to drop it. So we're going to go to the top left hand side of the screen. In this top ribbon you'll see the third button says text. We're going to select that. We're going to use default text. You could use anything else here, but for the purpose of this video we're going to go with default text. So you're going to hit the plus button, and there we go. There our text is populated. You can see it here on the screen. What we want to do is we want to drag this for the full length of the video. If you do not want your watermark to be shown throughout the whole video, what you're going to do is you're going to only put it and drag it over the portion that you want it to appear in your video. So you see there's no watermark, and there's a watermark. So we're going to drag that for the full length of this video for the purpose of this video, and we're going to go edit it. So on the right hand side we've got this text editor block here. So it's this black box here. We're just going to quickly rename this. So that's our link. Then what we want to do is, for this video, it's kind of disappearing, as you can see there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to property tabs here on the side. Under color I'm going to select black. And there we go, it's a lot more prominent. If, let's fix this, there we go. If you want to resize it, what you're going to do is you're going to select it in the corner, and you're going to drag it, and there we go. If you want to rotate it, there you got a little bubble under it, and you're going to select that bubble, and there you got the degrees going. So let's say we want it standing upright. You can sit over there. Maybe we think this is a little bit too prominent. So go back to the properties tab on the right hand side here. We're going to scroll down, and under occupancy you can make it more transparent. So it's not standing so bold and so prominently on the video. It's a little bit more discreet, but it's just still watermarking your video. So there we go. That's all it is. It's very simple, very straightforward. If you, for example, have a logo and you want to bring that in and use that, what you're going to do is you're going to go find your logo. Make sure it's a PNG file. Okay, that's very important because that gives you a transparent background. Then what we're going to do is we're going to drag it into our imports tab, which is the first button on the ribbon. And there we go, there it's populated. So now I'm going to drag this down into the video, and as you can see, there is our watermark. This was one that we created in Canva. It took me literally 2 minutes, and I'm going to drag this for the full duration of the video. There we go, there it is. Let's say I want to do it really big, and let's give this a shot. Come down to the properties, go back to occupancy, and we're just gonna make it visible. So there we go. I feel like it's a little bit too much in your face here in the middle, so what we can do is drag it up, and there we go, guys. There your video is watermarked. All that's left to be done is to hit the export button here at the top of the screen, and you export your video out. Make sure you know where you're saving the file to, and hit the export button, and you're done.